You chose answer B, yes, ABC is similar to FED. Well, let's take a look at comparing the angles to see if that's true, because if those are similar, then the corresponding angles are going to be congruent to each other. A, B, C, F, E, D. Measure of angle A is 48 degrees. Measure of angle B, I don't know yet. Measure of angle C is 40 degrees. The measure of angle F is 48 degrees, so far so good. The measure of angle E is 92 degrees. The measure of angle D, I don't know yet. So just because A and F match up doesn't mean that it's necessarily going to work out perfectly. We need to take a look and figure out what the measure of angle B is and what the measure of angle D is. And the way we figure that out is we know that the interior angles of a triangle all add up to 180 degrees. So we can take 180 and we can subtract 40 degrees and we're left with 140. And then we can subtract 48 degrees and that's going to leave us with 92. So angle B is 92 degrees. Okay, so far so good. Now we need to figure out angle D. Knowing this information, we know that it has to be 40 degrees, but let's prove it with subtraction. 180 minus 92 . 88 minus 48 is going to leave us with 40 degrees. The corresponding angles are all congruent to each other, so now we need to look at the other part of similarity, which is, are the sides in proportion? And we have side DE, which is going to correspond with side BC. So 162 over 81, and we need to figure out if that is the same as side DF, which is 138 over side CA, which is 69. And it turns out that it works perfectly because it's a dilation factor of 2. So B is the correct answer. Well done. Thank you for playing this little math review game.